In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to disable emails for weekly reports on X, Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to customize your email notification settings. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various account options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will direct you to the settings page where you can adjust your account preferences. Navigate to the Email Notifications section and locate the For Verified Accounts Only category. Within this section, uncheck the box next to Weekly Reports for your account to stop receiving weekly email reports. Once you have disabled the weekly report emails, click on Save Changes to confirm and apply the updated settings. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your email notification preferences and ensure that you no longer receive weekly reports from Twitter on your PC. Take control of your inbox and customize your Twitter experience according to your preferences.